catch it.
But he's got a really green snotty nose. He didn't have it this morning, but around noon it started dripping green.
If one could camp out alongside the main line to Moscow and never know which steam locomotive is approaching at crack speed.
He did have it sitting on over an hour and a half.
Catch it.
And,
Oh, not
and
good
that's when he
enough
woke
for
up
him.
with it. Bothered him.
Nick.
Weird.
Well, I thought
I
he
heard
had a
you,
crick in his neck, you know, because he did sleep kind of funny, but...
Hey, Dakota. Dakota.
Just put him in there with all of it. Box and all.
Uh-oh. Where's Dakota?
Yeah,
Gotcha.
put them all back in there now.
Oh. Oh, no. All of them?